Alright fellas, we have another 2020 Mercedes Benz AMG C63s, and it is in for downpipes. And this time I want to kind of record the process of installation and make sure that the car is actually in sport mode when I show you guys how it sounds. So as you guys know, I made another video with the 2020 C63s that had MBH downpipes. This one is getting the Eurocharge downpipes. So yeah, and I want to be a lot more thorough with this one. I want to show you guys a before and after as far as how it sounds, and I think we're gonna get a before and after for the dyno numbers on it. But this thing is awesome. It's always cool to see these brand new cars that are already getting modified. So this one has got the black and red interior, two-toned, the red stitching. The steering wheels are so awesome. But yeah, this thing is really cool. And of course, a 177 4.0 liter twin turbo V8. Seems it already has some aftermarket intakes on it. So yeah, we're about to get started. So this is a Tesla Model 3. We just got done putting lowering springs on it. Looks pretty good. The low, or the front, definitely looks a lot lower. The rear is lower, but it's still a little high for my liking. But this isn't the main car I want to talk about. I want to talk about the C63 that is getting downpipes installed. So what we've done so far is remove the DME out of the engine. And yes, I did say engine. The DME on this car is in the worst place imaginable. There we go. You can see the ME is stuffed right next to the alternator over here. It's very hard to show, and it's still out. So the reason why you have to take out the ME on this car is because it's a 2020, so you can't, it has to be bench flashed. We can't just hook it up to the OBD port just yet. I'll try to show it a little later. But another big thing is no transmission. Transmission has to come out so that we can get to the downpipes. As you can see in here, these are the original downpipes still installed. Still have to take them out. But yeah, it's a pretty involved job. So cool looking at or working on these cars and being kind of the first to touch them, really. I mean, this thing only has 5,000 miles on it, and everything is just so brand new, like fly or flex plate over here. It's really cool. So yeah, we'll be updating as we go forward. Another quick update. Apologize for the mess, but it's after hours right now. I just want to get a quick clip. So I was able to just get the downpipes off and apart. Got all the O2s unhooked, all the wiring. There's like 10 mounts for these little, or brackets rather, for the downpipes. Got some of those off. Just have one more that I can finally access now that I took out all the others. And yeah, so this is the M177 4-liter V8. Really awesome engines. It looks like just a mess of spaghetti and plastic parts over there, but still cool. Got the turbos over here. Just have them blocked off with the rag. See if we can get that compressor. Kinda. But yeah, Hot V design. As you can see, turbos up here, straight down to the downpipes. Very cool and efficient design. Awesome cars. Alright, so we'll go ahead and take a look underneath. And here's underneath. As you can see from the previous update, transmission is out. Again, it looks a little bit messy over here. Kind of just left everything laying a bit haphazardly around, but just gonna get to it tomorrow. Now I'm just gonna have to try and finagle these bad boys out, and we'll put the new ones in. And hopefully, or maybe I can try and show you guys a little bit better where that DME sat. This thing was a real pain, man. You can see the connector over there for it. So it kind of, it goes on the side of the engine block right next to the alternator. I'm sorry, but one of the stupidest designs. Probably the worst part about this job. I think that's one of the brackets for it. But yep, that's about it for now. So tomorrow, hopefully update it a bit more, and we'll see ya.